Hi everybody, I am Suleiman. I am from Gambia. I have 29 years old. I'm here in ITAFORMA, one of the biggest professional welding school in Italia. I was a carpenter of woodworker, but now I decided to change my job to become a welding man. Now I'm here in ITAFORMA doing my professional job in ITAFORMA. The course I'm doing is called Filo Continua. We do Filo Peno and also Filo D'Animato. It's a very perfect and qualification professional job. So we start from the basic, you come to the primary, from there you come to the secondary level. So from there you have your professional license, become a professional, and the license is valid for anywhere in the world. So now here I'm in the campus where you learn. So we sleep here. They provide everything for us, dinner, breakfast, and the lunch for us. So from there we do the theory and the practical, everything. Their professionals are good in their job. Only thing I can tell you, just come and join for this school, and they collect you to many working places whereby you can be professional and change your life to become a veteran. Thank you all.